Good morning to all. My name is D. Harshavardhan Reddy. Now I am going to present a model on soil erosion. Materials required. We need 3 containers to store water and 3 bottles of same size to show where the soil erosion occurs in different regions. We need thermocol and cardboard to support the bottles and soil, rocks, plants, etc. to show the model. In the first case, in front of soil at the starting tip of bottle there were rocks, which does not allow soil to move outside. In second case there is nothing, only flat land which is present. In third case there are plants over the soil, like forest. Now you can see the containers are empty. Now let us add some water in 3 cases and observe what happens. Now we should pour water equally among the 3 cases. Here the water is stored in container A. In this case, water is collected, but soil did not come outside. We can see that water is so impure. Let us see in case 2. Now let us add some water in case 2. In case 2, water is collected, but we can see water is so impure than case A, and the soil also collected in container. This indicates that in flat areas the soil erosion occurs more. Now let us add some water in case 3. Here plants are present in soil. In case 3, water is stored in container and the water is so pure than the both, and the quantity of water is lesser than the other both cases. We can conclude that if plants are present in a particular area, then soil erosion occurs lesser in that area. So, we can see the appearance of water and the quantity stored in containers. The quantity of water in case A is very less and their appearance is very clear.